pulled up to Horsepower Factory over here near Houston, Texas. Check it out, Horsepower Factory. They do tunes, they work on a lot of trucks, high performance trucks. I'm talking about like 1,000 horsepower vehicles. That's what I'm talking about. Got my OBS right here. Looking sexy. They're gonna be looking through all the engine, why it's not turning on. There's so many things that it could be of why it's not turning on. It is an LS swap. It has a 6.0 with a 408 transmission. So brought it here to Horsepower Factory. They're gonna do their thing. Like I said, it's checking grounds right now, checking the wiring. We're gonna see what sensors need to be changed, why it's not turning on, why it's not allowing it. And hopefully they can get it turned on today. If not, they'll get it turned on soon because I know they got some great mechanics here at Horsepower Factory. So yeah, we're gonna let them do their thing. I have not driven this OBS in about 5 to 6 months. It's been getting LS swap. I've been doing some of the work. I've had some people do some of the work as well. You've seen it in the past videos. So yeah, this is where we're at now, trying to get the OBS to turn on right, get it tuned, get everything right with the truck so we can finally drive it. I can't wait to hear it. Hopefully we hear it later today. Hopefully we hear it in the next couple of days. I just want to hear it. Let's get it. ¿Qué dice el maestro?
It's ready for tune now.
A la verga.
Ahora sí.
See, now it's stuck in your head.
Fuego, vengo rebelde, ando tabla dando genge. I don't give a fuck, mulata, ¿me entiende? Comprende, hey. Quisiera amarte y no puedo, no. Mi mamá me dijo don't love them all. Me quito la blusa y el pantalón. Mi mamá me dijo don't love them all.